Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code, result code hung on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Now, it's not very difficult to fix this error. Here's what you have to do. First of all, open the browser on which you encounter this error. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select history. Click on the bin symbol, change the time range to all time and click on clear now. Now click on these three dots once again, select extensions and manage extensions. Remove any extension that is problematic. You can use the hit and trial method to find out the problematic extension. Now click on help and feedback and select about Microsoft Edge. It will start checking for updates and it will update your system to the latest version. Lastly, go to reset settings, click on restore settings to the default value and select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.